everybody! Today we're gonna make a pizza recipe. First, you need 2 teaspoons yeast and 1 teaspoon sugar. And then pour 1 1/3 cup of water. The warm water. Now we need another third. Now we have to let it sit for another 10 minutes. Now we will need 3 cups of flour. This is our first cup. 1. 2. Dump it all in. 3. We are done with the flour. So now we need 1 teaspoon salt. Close this. Not done yet. After that, we want less than 1/4 cup of olive oil. We can't dump too little. All right. Now. So that nothing is wasted. Done. Now mix the flour with the yeast and sugar. Continuously mixing it. As you see, it's just sticky. Very sticky. And subscribe on your channel if you like it. Heat the oven to 550. Now we have flattened the dough, and don't forget to add some oil underneath. Next step is to add some marinara sauce on the top. And don't forget to spread it out as even as possible. Next up, mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese all around. This. See, it's stuck, and we need to break it up. This will be enough. Now it is almost evenly spreaded out. And you have to evenly spread out as much as you can. Don't forget to put the cheese on the side as well. Yes, do not rush. We add the toppings. And first, we put the pepperoni around. Ready? Sometimes we like to make it to flower shapes. Now you may add other toppings, such as sausage. You may add a
other toppings if you like. You could even add tomatoes.
Which will be our next topping.
Yes.
Alright, that's going to be pretty much enough. Now we add the tomato.
It's a tomato. Nice. You spread it as nicely as you can.
And that's our pizza.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed